When it comes to vision, one of the most important components is detecting movement. It helps us interact with the world around us and helps us spot things that might do us harm. But sometimes the brain gets tripped up when trying to detect motion, and we think things are moving when they aren't. Here's an example. Can you see the snakes seeming to move or rotate? The amazing thing is, this is an entirely static image. The movement is all an illusion. Scientists don't fully understand why we see this illusion, but there seem to be two important components. Firstly, your eyes are always moving, even though we don't always know that we're doing it. These tiny sudden movements occur whether you're looking at a screen, a book or a landscape, and they're known as saccades, which is French for jerk. This happens partly because the bit of our eye which gets really good detail, the fovea, doesn't have a very big range. So these tiny jerky movements help us to build up a more detailed picture of the scene in front of us. And in this illusion, they seem to help us perceive movement, which also happens when we blink. Now, secondly, your brain has a role. Certain areas of your brain respond to this illusion like they would real movement, and we think that has something to do with the levels of brightness between the parts of the snake. One of the first studies that looked at this illusion noticed something interesting. The pattern of movement always seemed to go in one direction, from black to blue to white to yellow and then back to black. The illusion still works in grayscale as well. There it goes from black to dark grey to white to light grey to black. But why would this be? Well, one theory suggests that our brains process high contrast faster than low, so they'll be quick to process the black and yellow or blue and white stripes, which are very different, compared to the more similar blue and black and yellow and white. And this might give the illusion of those stripes moving. Another idea is that we're faster at processing brighter things than darker ones, so this causes the appearance of motion between the colours. But whatever's happening inside our brains, it's not just us that it happens to. Cats seem to try and catch the snakes if they're shown this illusion, like they would with a moving bit of light. And even fish seem to react like it's a moving image. Surprisingly though, no one's found out if it works on snakes yet. Did you see the snakes moving? Let me know in the comments below, along with any illusions or other topics you'd love to see in my next video. And if you enjoyed this, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos about your amazing brain. And don't forget, you can find me on Twitter as @GinnyFBSmith or on Instagram @science.ginny. See you next time.